Legal drama in the National Council of Parent Teachers Association as the High Court stops an election. So says the lawyer for former chairman Zina Ramatali. Attorney Martin George says the injunction was obtained last night against several members who claim to constitute the executive. He said these persons, who were also planning to hold a general meeting tomorrow to discuss the elections, have been stopped. According to Mr. George, the individuals now speaking on behalf of the association are doing so wrongfully.
But himself and the other 13 persons who were then holding themselves out and claiming to be executive, they decided that they are holding a general council meeting tomorrow, and they sent out notification to all the members and all the persons indicating that among the agenda items is an item labeled as election. In those circumstances, it seemed clear to our clients that they were seeking to consolidate their grip on power in terms of what they were doing illegally. And therefore, we approached the court for an injunction, and the judge last night granted the injunction order, blocking them from holding that meeting, blocking them from holding themselves out to be the National Parent Teachers Association or to be validly appointed to represent the National Parent Teachers Association.
Mr. George says the court ruling reaffirms Ms. Ramatali as the rightful head of the association.
That confirms our client's position as the lawfully entitled committee to run the affairs of the National Parent Teachers Association. It's important for us to make the clarification, because what has happened is that this group of persons, they've caused tremendous confusion in the minds of the public, because they actually took the letterhead and they've put their names on the letterhead. They've appointed themselves as interim president, secretary, and they've conferred the titles and honors upon themselves, and they have now caused that confusion. So now with this court order and injunction, hopefully some clarity can be brought to the minds of the public that the interim committee headed by Ms. Zina Ramatali is the one and only lawful authority to be able to carry out the business and manage the affairs of the National Parent Teachers Association.
Attempts to contact Mr. Clarence Mendoza for comment up to news time were unsuccessful.